Today we're going to read The Flea's Sneeze by Lynn Downey. That's the person that wrote the words. Illustrated by Carla Firehammer. That's the person that drew all the pictures. Alright, let's see what's going to happen in this book. Let's look at the cover first. There's some animals on there. What else do you see? Yeah, they're on top of each other. That's pretty silly. I wonder what that means. Alright. On a dark night, on an old farm, in a rickety, tumble-down barn, everyone slept peacefully. You see the barn? Yeah, they're sleeping. All the animals are sleeping in the barn. A rat. You see the rat? Where's the rat? You see it? A cat. There's the cat. You found it. A cow. Where's the cow? There's a cow. An owl. You see the owl? Yeah, the owl is sitting on top of the cow's head. A feathered fowl. A fowl is a different name for a hen or a chicken. Can you see the chicken? Yeah, it's on the cow's bottom. A dog. Yep, there's a dog. A hog. A hog is a different name for a pig. Can you find the pig? Yeah, there's a pig. An old barn frog. There's the barn frog. Oh, everyone slept peacefully, but not the flea. Where is the flea? What is he going to do? Why is he not sleeping? Nobody, no one heard him cough. You see the flea sitting on top of the mouse? He is coughing. He's going. Not even the mouse. He is for a house, or the rat, or the cat, or the black-eyed bat, or the cow, or the owl, or the feathered fowl, or the dog, or the hog, or the old barn frog. They all slept peacefully, but not the flea. Now let's see what is going to happen to all of these animals. No one heard him sniffle. Can you sniffle? When you have a cold or your nose is runny, go. Yeah, he is sniffling. Not even the mouse he used for a house, or the rat or the cat, or the black-eyed bat, or the cow or the owl, or the feathered fowl, or the dog or the hog, or the old barn frog. You guys hear those rhyming words? Mouse and house, rat, cat, bat, cow, owl, fowl, and dog, hog, frog. These are rhyming words. That means that they sound similar to each other. They all slept peacefully, but not the flea. No one heard his garbled plea. Does anybody have a tissue for me? Oh no. The flea sounds like he has a stuffy nose. Not even the mouse he used for a house. Not even the rat or the cat or the black-eyed bat or the cow or the owl or the feathered fowl or the dog or the hog or the old barn frog. They all slept peacefully, but not the flea. No, he didn't sleep. Then suddenly, before he could cover his achoo! He has to go, achoo! What does that sound mean? Yeah, he sneezed. Oh my goodness. That flea sneezed. It scared the rat, who cried boo, and woke the cat, who hissed meow. So he goes meow. It baffled the bat. He's confused. He's like, baffled means I don't know what's going on. Whose eyes turned blue and confused the cow, who mothered moo, moo. Yeah, these animals are going crazy. It outraged the owl, who hollered hoo hoo, and flustered the fowl, who crowed cock-a-doodle-doo. That is a funny long word. Can you say it again? Cock-a-doodle-doo. It daunted the dog, who barked woo woo, and sprayed the hog, who screamed eew, and reminded the frog of his old nephew. But the mouse the flea used for a house kindly gave him a tissue. The flea wiped his nose. Before his eyes had even closed, he began to doze. Dozing means he is falling asleep. That flea. For all the rest of that dark, dark night on the old farm in the rickety-crickety tumble-down barn, everyone slept peacefully. The flea and the mouse he used for a house, the rat, the cat, the black-eyed bat, the cow, the owl, the feathered fowl, even the dog and the old barn frog. Everyone slept just like a log, except the hog. What is going to happen to the hog? Oh no, no one heard his garbled wheeze. I think I gotta sneeze. Oh no, what's going to happen again? What do you think? What is happening to this hog? Yeah, he's gonna sneeze, and then all the animals are going to wake up again. Oh my. I hope somebody gets him a tissue. The end. That was the end of that book. This is called The Flea's Sneeze.